Hey guys, this is the Nnewvante multifunctional laptop desk. You can see it comes in a very great packing, and then you can see like the size here. I'm just opening the box. It's a foldable one, and for the corner protection there are certain plastic hooks on it. You can just remove it before opening it, and you can see it's a very glossy finish on the top. That looks really good. And then there's a folding legs, so this is a 4 legs one, and this is the particular like the model number. You can see like the hooks and the screws, they are very tight, so it is very sturdy. And the legs itself, you can see like the cushion there, so you can put it on the bed, on the floor, and anywhere. Looks decent, like strong to me. Let me open all these 4 legs. So here, like I can feel like it's not shaking. It's pretty much sturdy, and you can see like the glossy finish on the top. It's like the wood grain finish. This is the booklet from the Nnewvante that comes inside the package. So I thought that's the manual, but this is actually the catalog. You can see the different types of laptop stand, with the fans, without fans, the wood ones, and you know, the 2 legs one, the foldable legs. There are multiple sizes and shape you can see through. So quickly I will just get a glance on the other products here that you can watch even on the Amazon on their Nnewvante website. So like some plastic ones, wood ones, the flooring ones. Then the one I'm showing you right now is there. I will put the link in the Amazon video details if you want one for yourself. Pretty much it is easy to set up, easy to use. I'm just showing like if I put on my 13-inch laptop, 13.3 inches laptop, my mobile, my full size like the Logitech keyboard, it fits well. Like you can see that still there's space. I can put a coffee cup, or I can put water. I just put my legs inside it. I feel really comfortable that not touching on the ground on the top. And then you can see it's like it's easy to work on that. So this is the total height from the ground.